Hello guys, so here comes the new video on how to play your e-challenge, and here comes the Telangana state police. And every state has different system, like their own websites where you can directly input your vehicle number can be with space or without space, and after that you need to enter this verification method like mathematical or alphabetical system, where you have to show that it's not a robot, you are an human, and 4 plus 3 equal to 7, and then click on go. So once you click on go, here you can see many things like unit name, challan number, and date, time, place of violation, traffic PS limits, violation, fine amount, total fine amount, and user charges and total. Then you can see the image where it proves that it's your car and you have parked it in the non-parking area or something. And once you tap on, like, you can also select all, or else you can only select one challan which you have. Then you can click on print challan if you want to save it or and send it to some other people. If you want to pay now, you can choose the mode of payment like AP online or net banking. So AP online is like normal, and net banking, here comes the 5 varieties where you can pay using ICICI Bank, SBI, T wallet, Paytm, Beldas, where here 2 wallets have the system to show transaction status. So whenever you pay through SBI or Beldas, you get one transaction number. That transaction number you can input over transaction status. So this is SBH or SBI, you can call this transaction reference number. You can put it and click on submit to check the transaction is completed or no. And if you want to check it, like once you pay the amount, you can go on to the M-Wallet app from the Play Store. You can download it, and then you can just check your pending challenge. So if there is any pending challenge, then you can report to the website like you have paid the amount, and but it's not reflected or something like this. You can clear all your channel challenge. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.